Hello, everyone. How are you today? This is MD, aka the Crypto Prophet. Today is another wonderful day. So, yesterday, guys, I was so busy and the network was so poor yesterday. And I'm here again for us to look at the markets and see the different possibilities where we can make money. And of course, I also like to show you how you can trade like a little guy. The little guy is that person with just maybe $50, and then you want to just start with $50. So, for example, look at this trade, guys. This is a trade of a little guy, $50, and $50 making almost 50% profit, 5x leverage. That makes a lot of sense. Like, look at this, $30 profit, $30 in the morning, guys. This is just $30, and if you compound $30 within some time, all right, put in $50 and you close the trade with $30, is still good. That is what I'm trying to teach majority of my people, that you can come small, make money, all right, compound it, and then you grow your wallet. That's the whole objective, because $30 in Africa, guys, if you convert $30 to Naira or France CFA, all right, it is a lot of money. $30 to France CFA is like how much? It's like 16,000 francs CFA. If you convert that to Naira, for example, Naira, you're going to have like, I'm talking about $30, right? Not 300. Yeah. So let's see how much that can be. That's like 43,000 Naira, which is something that can buy food for that day, right? So um, if you want to start small and grow, you need to make sure that we work together so that I can really show you. Look at 50% profit as a little guy. I call these little guys, people without money. So I like showing you wallets with much money, and wallet with no money at all, and wallets with small money. But it doesn't mean that you'll be winning all the time, right? You can also lose some trades. So, but you need to know how to be able to select these trades. All right. Now let's look at Bitcoin. What is going to happen with Bitcoin? If I were you right now, Bitcoin, it's a little bit at the bottom. If you were shorting Bitcoin, you could short at 80, somewhere at 88 or 87 point something. It's really down now. I still feel like, okay, it might bounce back at 85. But if you want to short Bitcoin, allow it to pump again a little. Let it pump again a little before you can short. This is not a good entry. Maybe you can start shorting around 88, 89. 88, 89 can really be a good shot, eh? So are we going to go back to 89? I don't know. But you know what? If you want to trade but Bitcoin, I'm telling you what, you want to allow this thing to move a little bit up. It's always good to short at the top. All right. I always say, don't long at the top and don't short at the bottom. You understand that? Don't short at the bottom and don't long at the top. So if you want to long, you have to wait around 85 something before you can see if you can long. But if we break this resistance at 85,000 for Bitcoin, then we are going to 80K. So right now, the truth is we still have the stock market that is still to open today, and we don't know how far the stock market will take us to. So that is something we need to consider. You cannot just take a short position now. You have to wait for the stock market. They can take it back to 87 or 88, then before you can see if you can take a short position. But for the meantime, right now, well, direction has not yet changed. Direction is still in a downtrend. And yeah. So guys, that is what I have for you for today. Making 50% profits, trading with small money. $50 here, guys. 50% profit. How about that? That's something wonderful, right? So if you think that this is something you want to do, contact me as fast as possible. Let me show you some of these things, how it works and how you can actually make money. Until then, this is MD with the little guy. Over and out.